Okay, so my idea, sorry. This project was my own version of the typing games that you usually see online. What I really like about it is how I learned how to create a game involving like live interaction and also an asynchronous timer. The main features I made were the asynchronous timer, the text box that matches text with words, and buttons that go to different screens without having to create an entirely new page. So how I created my project, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build my project. The HTML was mainly for like some of the less advanced stuff. I'll use JavaScript for mostly the advanced like behind the scenes coding stuff, and CSS was mainly for design. And during class, I learned how to change the page in real time, make an asynchronous timer, make the program choose random words from a list and compare the user's input to those words, and doing a specific thing when the words actually match. So my first thing, changing the page in real time allows for the game to go to different screens at different stages of the game. And two, the asynchronous timer gives the user a certain time frame to complete the game. So here's an example of like the code I wrote. So the code in part one, which is line 34 to line 50, it sets up the asynchronous timer. And the code in part two shows how a different word after the user types the current word correctly and adds 1 second to the timer. And for the demo, um, so this is the timer and this is the word. So if you type it in, it'll clear the text box and then give you a different word and also add 1 second to the timer. Okay, so my favorite part about working on this project was learning how to let the user interact with the game in real time. And if I were to continue to work on this project, I would change aspects of the game depending on the difficulty selected, add more to the design and make the timer run on milliseconds and seconds. So I can add less time and make the game harder. Thank you.